I'm Lily, and today we're going to make flower-powered bath bombs. The ingredients we chose were cornstarch, baking soda, citric acid, fractionated coconut oil, vitamin E oil, jojoba oil, and witch hazel, and vanilla, and Epsom salt. To make our bath smell good and look pretty, we're gonna use essential oils and flowers. Now let's do this. To make today's bath bombs, check out today's recipe below. In this, we have our coconut oil, vitamin E, jojoba, lavender, and lilac. In a cupcake pan to make bath bombs. Isn't this pretty? So, wasn't that so fun? It was super fun. So, you want your bath bombs to dry for about 24 hours, but they come out pretty good. They come out pretty cool. Look at how cool those are. Okay, we did it! See you next time.